So hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will unbox the 1973 Honda Civic Custom in this good red color. So let's just first unbox this. So finally we have it out of the blister, and now let's take a closer look. This actually looks so good in now that it's out of the blister. Actually the tiny cars are really nice. It has a well detailed front, and on the side we get the Honda badging along with the racing number 3. The Honda badging is on the front as well, and on the back we don't get any decals, but we have this very good rear window roof. The color is red and the wheels are chrome rim micro 5-spoke wheels. So overall this is quite a nice casting. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about this casting, and subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos. Thank you.